In this resource, your student will be decoding CCVC and CVCC words. So first, in order to make the video animations work, copy the document and open it up in Google Slides. Then pick one of the slides. In this example, I've picked slide 2. Then click your mouse anywhere on the page. A word will appear on the page. Your student can then attempt to decode the word. Click your mouse again and further words will appear. Your student can then decode each of the words. There are 10 words on each of the slides, and there's further information in the instructions as to how to do the timing. When you've finished all of the words on this page, pick another slide.